Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today, we're going to explore the word WS in depth. First, the definition. WES means an abbreviation for what you see, indicating visible content or output. Think of it simply as seeing exactly what appears on your screen or paper. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. WYS traces back to the phrase, what you see, foundational for the WYSIWYG concept in computing. Over time, it's been used by computer users and software developers. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use YS in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. When editing the document, the YS format ensures what you see is what you get after printing. Correct example 2. The website advertised a YS preview so customers could view products accurately. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to whisk my lunch, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using YS correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. YS means an abbreviation for what you see, indicating visible content or output. It comes from the phrase, what you see, foundational for WYSIWYG, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with YS down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.